In today's world of digital finance, top professionals combine deep technical expertise with sharp business instincts. They tackle complex challenges using advanced technologies like generative AI and machine learning. At Stevens, our Masters in Financial Engineering program gives you exactly that, an elite combination of quantitative skills and business insight. This program, which began in our world-class math department and now thrives in the School of Business, provides exceptional mathematical rigor alongside practical, real-world business applications enhanced by deep AI training. Stevens graduates excel in mathematics, business strategy, and artificial intelligence. They are ready to spot opportunities and drive strategic decisions in today's automated financial environment. You can customize your experience through specializations like risk management and algorithmic trading. You'll get hands-on practice with the same AI-powered trading and risk management technologies used by Wall Street's leading firms. Select students also have the opportunity to join the Graduate Student Managed Investment Fund, GSMIF, where they apply quantitative research, risk modeling, and portfolio construction techniques to manage real capital from the university's endowment. It's a powerful way to translate classroom theory into live portfolio decisions within a macro-driven investment framework. You'll also have unique research opportunities through our Center for Research Towards Advancing Financial Technologies, or CRAFT, the first fintech-focused industry university partnership funded by the National Science Foundation. Our program develops your ability to quickly find data-driven solutions to complex challenges. That's a critical skill set, giving you a strong competitive advantage. You won't just use artificial intelligence solutions. You'll learn how to build them. Located just minutes from New York City, the world's financial hub, you'll have unmatched access to professional networking and industry developments. We are ranked number 14 by Risk.net and number 18 by QuantNet. And being a top 20 program, the Stevens Financial Engineering Masters is designed to shape you into a complete finance professional with deep technical expertise, cutting-edge AI skills, and the interpersonal capabilities to lead meaningful change. Connect with us today and unlock your future.